Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to One to Step YouTube channel, and we are back with another video. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can activate your Netspend prepaid card online. So it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Netspend Prepaid Card just like this. After you search for Netspend Prepaid Card, you want to click on the first link where it says Netspend Prepaid Debit Card. Alright, now you click on it. Now remember, you need to have a account of Netspend to activate your card. Over here, once you come over here, you want to click on where it says Activate Card. After you click on Activate Card, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can activate your card. Alright, you need to wait for some time. Alright, now once you're over here, basically you can activate your card. Basically you want to enter your card number and your security code. Now if you guys do not know what your card number and your security code is, then basically you need to flip your Netspend prepaid gift card, and there's going to be a 16-digit card number over there, and there's going to be a 3-digit security code number over there. You just need to type that. Basically after typing that, you want to click on continue, and if the card number and security code you typed is correct, then basically your card will be activated. Let's say for some reason it didn't activate, then basically the card number or your security code which you typed over here was mistake, or both of them was mistake, so double check them. Or if your card has expired, if your card has expired, then basically you can't do anything, you can't use that card. But if your detail you entered here is incorrect, then basically you can retype it and make it correct and click on continue, and it's gonna ask you to sign in into your account after you click on continue. And after signing into your account, basically your card will be activated. So that's basically how you guys can activate Netspend prepaid gift card. So for those people who do not know what Netspend prepaid gift card is, then basically it's a gift card of Netspend company. You can use it like a normal Visa gift card on online, but to use it online you need to activate it first. Alright, so this is the process you need to complete if you want to use it online. But if you want to use it offline, you do not have to activate it. It's just for online purposes. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand this video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions related with this video, you can ask us in the comment and I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in a bit. Bye bye until then.